Hi, it's Kozue. Born Pretty provided these items for this channel. Gold Cat Magnetic Gel Series. I'm gonna look at the 5 colors first. I'm gonna make one set of nail art later. These gels are so glittery and perfect for the holiday season. Let's get started. Gold Cat Magnetic Gel number 1. The gel itself is sheer grey. It has fine silver particles in it. It's actually really sheer. Second coat. This time I'm gonna use a magnet before curing it. Oh, I see. It's so shiny. I can make 2 lines. I'm not sure if it's the gel or the magnet that does it. You reset the gel as long as it's not cured. I'm using a magnet wand from a 100 yen store called CanDo. Nice. Okay, I get 2 lines with this magnet as well. It's like a shooting star. It does look grey now, doesn't it? I finished with a top coat. It's so beautiful. Stamping snowflakes on this gel will be so beautiful. I think opaque white snowflakes will stand out a lot on this color. Number 2. Beigeish Chic Gold. The particles move smoothly. Yeah, it's a sheer one again. I'm painting second time. I love this color. I think this is the easiest way to hit a magnet. Let's try sinking the particles here. Oops, particles in the center came up toward the surface. I'm hitting about 1 centimeter above in the air. It's so beautiful. I applied a top coat. The nail tip is upside down. Glitters can be seen even from a distance. Number 3. Wow, this is a nice peachy color. It's so cute. I already like this the most. There are 2 more to go though. 1 coat is sheer, as I expected. I'm painting it second time, and I'm in love with this gel. It's even cuter when I hit a magnet. The color with sunken particles is beautiful too. I just can't stop complimenting it. I found a nice mark with a vertical approach. Beautiful 2 lines. The line colors are slightly different. I think I can do interesting art with this effect. I finished with a top coat. The color looks different on a silicone finger. It's a nice color for autumn and winter. Chic and nice. I love it. How about number 4? It's a bit of a bluish pink. This is cute too. The color of the gel itself is more like purple. Applying it the second time. I'm hitting the right corner. I'm gonna sink particles over here a little. Please remember this color. The color looks totally different on the silicone finger. Your fingernails will look beautiful with this gel nail. Number 5. Oh, it's coppice. The vibe is quite different from the previous 4 colors. It looked pretty opaque on the brush, but it's not. It's a nice color for autumn and winter, but it will be nice for summer, beach nails. The 2-line effect is great. I could make a cafe-themed nail art with this. It'll look great with gold accessories. I'm gonna be making 1 set of nail art from now on. The gel I'm gonna use is of course my favorite, number 3, I'm just using this color. This is thumb art. I'm not curing it yet. I'm gonna hit a magnet horizontally. It's difficult to get a pattern straight and horizontally. I'm applying it thinly. Now I will make a pattern vertically. It's nice, isn't it? But the horizontal line has faded. So I'm gonna paint it again and make a horizontal line one more time. I might be doing this forever. Vertically, horizontally, vertically again. I hope not. Phew, it looks good. The side looks like this. I'm gonna use this snowflake. It's made of some kind of metal. I'm gonna curve it on an eraser. Can you see it's curved? Now I'm gonna stamp. I got this stamping polish at Walmart in Hawaii. I'm gonna clean unnecessary prints with washi tape. I'm using clear gel nail as glue. I'm putting the metal accessory on. Apply non-wipe top coat to finish the art. Now I'm gonna paint the little and index finger. I'm sinking all the particles. Actually, I can't sink every single particle. There are a few near the surface, but I think it's nice to have some leftover particles. By the way, I made the nail tip holders out of wall hooks and ice cream spoons. My usual nail tip holders have magnet in them, so I thought it's not good when using magnetic gel. I'm gonna let the particles sink again. There are some visible particles on the side. Well, it's still nice. I'm gonna glue rhinestones with clear gel. This rectangular accessory is so cool. I'm gonna reinforce the stones with a non-wipe top coat. I'm putting a little gel on top of a silicone pen. I'm putting it on the skirt of the stones. I want to avoid gel on top of rhinestones. If the gel gets on the top of the rhinestone, I wipe it off. Flash cure. I'm doing the rectangular one on the little finger. I'm trying not to paint the stones with a top coat. I'm gonna do the ring finger now. I'm gonna cure it without hitting a magnet. I'm applying number 3 again. Born Pretty Auroras, 3D painting, Gel A06. I'm gonna paint on the side. I'm trying to leave the sandy texture. I'm gonna finish it with a top coat. I'm gonna do the ring finger. I'm gonna make a vertical line. I want to make it darker. I'm making a vertical line again. I'm gonna stamp snowflakes. I used the lower ones earlier. I'm going to use the upper ones. I don't want to clean plates often. It's fun to stamp a lot of snowflakes. I'm gonna paint a top coat, and everything will be done. I put them on silicone fingers. I really love the number 3 color. It's such an elegant color, and it's nicely sparkly. It goes well with shiny accessories. It's perfect. How did you like Born Pretty Gold Cat Magnetic Gel? What color is your favorite? Number 3. You can find product links in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.